Hello there. Today I want to cross another technique I haven't tried before off my bucket list, and it is making the kind of pearl cells using a jiggle pour, the same way as Julie does on her channel, Pouring Your Heart Out. And I'm going to put a base colour down of pearl white, which is, all my paints are mixed with 2 parts of Floetrol, 1 part paint, to try and get those cells. And I've also mixed up black, metallic blue, dark blue, or phthalo blue as I forget to call it, and cobalt blue, and all the textures of the paint are runny-ish, a little runnier than what I normally have. In fact, that one needs a bit more water added to it to make it slightly runnier than what I had it. That's better. That's a far runnier consistency, and that is the consistency of my paints in the hopes of getting the cells coming through. And I'm going to be tipping those colours into a 250ml cup until I have as much in there as I need to do my pour. So I'll get started now. Right, so I've got all my colours in my cup now, and I'm just going to give it a bit of a spout. I actually don't think I'll spout it where I tipped. I like to spout around 90 degrees away from it, so the colours are more side on than front on. And I'm going to now jiggle pour that. No, I'm not. I'm going to put down a layer of the pearl white first before I do any other pouring. So I will just tip that into the middle of my canvas there. I want to make sure I have plenty left to put around the edges for the paint to go over. I made up approximately 200 mils of the pearl white, consisting of 1/3 paint, 2/3 Floetrol. So I will now start jiggling this down onto the paint. Well, it's very, very pretty. Loving all those colours together. But again, it wasn't quite what I was hoping for. I'm going to do the torching now, of course, to see if any cells do come through. But again, I don't know why, I just don't have that much faith in using the Floetrol for it. I was probably better off adding a little silicone to the pearl white, although it's not extreme sheen, of course, which is the one that Julie was using on her channel, on her video that she did, or videos she's done. That's my first attempt at doing pearl cells. I will give it a try at a later date. Another try. Right, so now I will bring the picture up closer to the camera into the light for you to have a better look at it. It is very attractive. The colours are different. It's like an underwater rock formation with the blues. It's a pity I couldn't have got those pearls that I wanted, the pearl cells, around the sides. But overall, it's not a bad painting for what I have been able to do with it. Doing the different type of jiggling at the end gave that beautiful pattern from the black, which has blended with the pearl to give the sheen colour into the black, like a silver grey sheen, which is rather pretty. So that's it, my first attempt at the pearl cells. I will give it a go again at a later date. That's it for me for this video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.